Hello everyone, welcome to the Homeguru. Today I am going to focus on Chapter 1, Class 6 Geography. So in this series, I will cover the all chapters from Class 6 NCERT. Now we are going to move on the next slide. Here we will see some important points from Chapter 1. That is the full moon called as a Purnima and the new moon called as a Amasya. The sun, moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. The sun is a star. The various patterns found by the different groups of a star called as a constellation. Example: Ursa Major and Big Bear. The easily recognizable constellation is the Saptalsi group of 7 stars. Hope everyone has seen this 7 stars. North Star is called as a pole star, and some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They lit by the light of a star. Such bodies are called as planets. Now move to the next slide. Here in the next slide we can see that moon in the sky is a natural satellite, and the sun, 8 planets, a satellite, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroid and meteorites. The list of 8 planets, and that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And the efficient and the tricks to learn it, my very efficient mother just served as a nuts. Now move to the next slide. And in this slide there are the planets which are close to the sun and made up of rocks, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The planets which are far from sun and huge in size and made up of the liquids and gas, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There are some important and interesting facts about the sun also, that it is the center of the solar system, and it is made up of extremely hot gases, and it is huge in size. It has some pulling forces that binds the solar system, and it is about 150 million kilometer away from the Earth. Now that the solar system moves around the elongated path called as orbit, and Mercury is the nearest to the sun and takes 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Venus is considered as Earth's twins. Twins means the duplicate of the Earth, and that is Venus. The Pluto as a dwarf planet, and the interesting fact of the Earth is that it is the third nearest planet to the sun, and it is the fifth largest planet in size. Slightly flatter at the poles, called as a geoid. Conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on the Earth, and it is also called as a blue planet. Now on the next slide, there are some interesting fact about the moon also, and that is the diameter is one quarter that of the Earth. Means the diameter of the moon is one quarter. Diameter of the moon is one quarter that of the Earth, and it is 384,400 kilometers away from us. It moves around the Earth in about 27 days. The moon has mountains, plains, and depressions on its surface. They cast shadows on the moon surface. The light travels at the speed of 3 lakh km per second. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet in the same way planet moves around the sun. The human-made satellite is an artificial body, and the moon is the natural satellite for this Earth. Asteroid, apart from the stars, planet, and satellite, teeny bodies moves around the sun called as asteroid. Asteroids are the teeny bodies, and it is mainly found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. And the small pieces of rocks which moves around the sun are called as meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which moves around the sun are called as meteoroids. The huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases are called as a galaxy. The millions of such galaxies are called as a universe. Thanks a lot for watching this video on Homeguru, and please do not forget to subscribe Homeguru, so that I can come with some new more lectures and some more new series on NCERT. Thanks a lot.